New update regarding Gary Lee Siders. Senior Vinton County Common Pleas Court Judge Lina Fetherolf Rogers has ordered a modification of bond for a defendant in the Siders cases following newly discovered information regarding the defendant's health. The order was issued after the court reviewed a motion to modify bond filed on July 7. According to the court order, the defendant's 73-year-old Gary Lee Siders Sr. was transported to Ohio Health Oblinus Hospital in Athens on Tuesday. Medical providers reportedly recommended a transfer to a larger hospital for more specialized care. If the defendant is released from the hospital, he will be subject to GPS monitoring, with the cost to be paid by the state. Gary Siders was arrested on June 30, 2026, along with 3 other adults in the home, his son, wife, and daughter-in-law. Follow for more case updates.